Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Yeah, it's A. Bashir Ahmed, Assistant Professor, Department of IT, Jammu College, Trichy. In this video, we are going to see the basics of inheritance and the explanation on single level inheritance. Inheritance is one of the main OOPS principle like data encapsulation, polymorphism, data abstraction, data hiding, etc. The concept of inheritance is if one class uses the property for another class, then it is called inheritance. Any class which gives the property is called base class or superclass. Any class which gets the property is called subclass or derived class. So these two main concepts should be observed in the concept of inheritance. What is superclass? What is subclass? Or in another way, what is base class and what is derived class? Inheritance is mainly used for the reusability of the code, that is, repetition of the code can be avoided by means of inheritance. So it is a very most useful application in OOPS principle. Then the types of inheritance. There are 5 types of inheritance: single, multiple, multi-level, hybrid and hierarchical. These are the 5 types of inheritance present in C++. So let us discuss about the concept of single level inheritance. In a single level inheritance, when a class inherits from a single base class, it is called single level inheritance. In other words, we can say that in single level inheritance, we are having only one base class and one derived class. That is, one superclass and one subclass. So in this program, in this coding, class A and class B, class A is not inherited. Class B, look at this, class B, public A. The meaning for this line is class B can use the property of class A. So A is the superclass, B is the subclass. A is superclass, B is subclass. Let us discuss this single level inheritance with an example. Observe this program. This program contains class A and class B. Class A contains one member function get. Class B contains one member function disp. So in the main, I am creating an object for the class B. That is, B, E means B is a class, E is an object. So using the object E dot get, what will happen means the compiler will search for get function in class B. Since it is not present, it will go to the class A. So in class A, there is a get function. It will execute. You will get the first output as good morning. You will get the first output as good morning. Then the next line e.disp. What will happen? E.disp means the compiler will search for disp function inside the class B. Then that will be executed as good evening. So the output for this program is good morning and good evening. So in this program, the concept should be observed are class A is a base class, class B is a derived class, only one base class and only one derived class. So this is the concept of inheritance, single level inheritance. The name of the object is E. Object is created for the derived class. Since the object is created for the derived class, the base class properties can be accessed. That's it about this video. The remaining types of inheritance will be uploaded in the next video. Thank you for your patient listening.